Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Greetings from minus 16 degrees in Finland. We're here with Toffe's dad's new Volvo XC40 and we're gonna review it today. Here we have it. It's the Volvo XC40 P8 all-wheel drive recharge. Good name. Couldn't have thought of a better one myself. So this one has 408 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers an hour or 0 to 62 miles per hour in 4.9 seconds. It has a range of approximately 418 kilometers and it's looking pretty good. So it's the 2021 model year Volvo XC40, and if we look inside it looks really futuristic and modern. Okay, so since this is an all-electric car, you can see the boot is a little bit smaller. This probably has space for, this has some more space. But the batteries do take up a lot of space, and this weighs approximately 2 tons. So it's not a light car, even though that it looks a little bit smaller than its bigger brothers, the Volvo XC60 or the Volvo XC90, for example. Since it's an electric car, it also has a frunk. Let's go ahead and show that as well. Okay. This doesn't look like a traditional car, but here you have the charging cables and instruction manuals. I'm gonna go ahead and go in the back seat and see how comfortable it is. Let's move some shit out of the way first. And, whoops, bye drone. So here we are. I just took the drone out for a spin. Now it's raining like crazy and it lost control. And let's see how well you fit. Toffe is approximately 185 centimeters tall or something, and as you can see, my legroom is perfectly fine, my headroom is fine, and it's accompanied by 2 panoramic sunroofs, which make the experience look a lot bigger than maybe what it actually is. But it's a bit of a sloping roofline here for my head, but no big issue. I'm about 189 centimeters tall, so not really an issue. We have climate control down here for the rear seat passengers as well, and you can have heated rear seats. Oh damn, that's cool. And you can charge your phone as well. In the front you have the possibility to have wireless charging. This one doesn't have it, but nonetheless pretty cool, and fast charging as well. So pretty cool experience. All right, enough with the talking about the specs. Let's go drive it and test it out, how it actually drives on the road. And here we go. Okay, we have a digital driver's display here. It shows us the map on which we're driving, and it shows us the gear. This is an automatic, and it shows us our speed on the left side, and then it shows us the battery percentage. So we're just gonna take it for a short spin around the block. As I said previous to this, it has 4.9 seconds to 100, but we're not gonna test it out today. It's a brand spanking new car, so
2 seconds later.
And hit it. Woo! Okay. So it's like the Fiat 500e. It's totally the same.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's exactly the same. I mean, no, this one is actually a lot cooler. You will suffer from losing some of your charge faster because of the temperatures. And it's an electric car, but that's no problem. I mean, if you have over 400 kilometers of range, theoretically, then you will still get probably somewhere close to 300 probably in these conditions. Pretty nice. Overall, a very nice experience. Ooh, and it has regenerative braking. I didn't even touch the brake pedal, but it came to a complete stop on its own.
Yeah, it actually has 2 driving modes. This is the 1 pedal drive
Yeah.
mode, which basically brakes when you let go of the gas. And
Okay.
it has a basic automatic styled driving mode as well. When it starts driving when you lift the brake.
Yeah. Whoa. Yeah. Okay. So when you actually put the foot down, it does let go a little bit, but it regains traction pretty quickly. So it's not too bad, actually. We have another straight here. We have the Mercedes trying to bully us. And he's just a dot in the rear view mirror. Alright guys, this is going to be it for this week's video. I hope you liked the review of the Volvo XC40 P8 all-wheel drive recharge. And I want to touch upon last week's video. It got a lot of hits. Who would have thought that clickbait works? Not me. Well, anyway, leave a like on this video and leave a comment down below what you want to see me do next. Nothing is off limits, you know. But subscribe if you're new to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Polo GTI, can you take her on? Bye! That was anticlimactic. What the fuck, man? Come on.